Also, which is very crucial, Eric. At Alaska, kita natin handang-handa dito sa laro na ito.
Well, yun na nga, ang mahirap doon kasi, Rado, if you come into a game that you know that it's a do-or-die thing for you, ang Alaska, kahit pa paano may buhay pa yun after kung ano man mangyari sa kanila, pwede matalo, but Mike Cortez looks hurt.
But ito, bumangon po si Mike Cortez na continue play. Michael Danigan. Rin makapasok pero babalik sa kanya sa perimeter na tumira itong si Michael Danigan, and that's an expression of the big defense being put up on the Air 21 import.
You know, Rado, I noticed that Alaska is just putting Dozier. He's sitting in the shaded area like playing zone the whole time. So there's not really much guys coming off, cutting. Everyone is like waiting for a spot up. So it's actually so easy for Dozier to just wait for Danigan in the lane.
Samantala, mintis ang Alaska pero sa tapigan sila pa rin muli ang makakakuha ng second serving. Kamukhang-kamukha ng kanilang aggressiveness off the boards ng first 2 quarters of play. Sunny Thos, begging ipapasa, siya ang tumira. All again, simpleng execution.
All because of that triangle that was supposed to be a handoff play. Pero yun nga lang wala mangyari. Nakita niyang umatras si Danigan, tinirahan na lang yan.
And a disrespect on the shooting capability of Sunny Thos. Titira talaga niya yan. Samantala sa atake, kinaliwa ni Gulgan. Pasok.
Mike really has to go to work here this third quarter. They really need points coming off the locals.
Balik sa shootout na gusto ng Alaska pero mintis yung tira ni Cyrus Baguio. But all confidence, kahit madali yung kanyang tira, all confidence in him because he knows yung kanyang mga kampi nandun na naman sa rebound at nakuha nga nila muli yun. Cyrus Baguio, not this time.
It's wide open, too wide open. They're actually making it look so easy because the triangle is, setting the screens and putting itong Air 21 at a disadvantage all the time.
11 points for the Cyrus Baguio. Nonoy Baclao, nagdala naman ng kanyang unang 2 puntos. But still a 17-point lead na pinapangalagaan po ng kupunan ng Alaska. Wala sa labas, it would be Tony De La Cruz. Nakita ang kanilang point guard, JV Garcia, give it the pick. Pag-slide naman ni Rob Dozier. Nasapal doon ni Noy Baclao. Big defensive stop by Air 21, although itong si Nonoy Baclao mukhang tinamaan doon sa kanyang labi. KG iikot sa ilalim, double team, nakawala si KG.
Kilo si KG Canaleta, he was able to extricate himself of a tight defense by Alaska.
Samantala, attack intro pero 15 puntos pa rin ang kalamangan itong mga taga-pieces. Make it 16. Doon sa pangalawang free throw naman itong si Cyrus Baguio. 51-35, 9 minutes and 14 dito po sa ating third quarter. Nakawala Mike Cortez pero opting to pass from the outside. Ang tres ni paring Winnie, pasok na pasok.
Good ball movement right there by Air 21. They know that itong si Dozier is sitting in the shaded area, so Baclao is moving him out on top and forcing, there's a lot of action coming in from the big side.
Pinag-uusapan nga natin, Eric, sa higpit ng depensa ng Alaska, more movement dapat sa offense ng kupunan ng Air 21 at yun ang kanilang pinakita dun sa Dozier. Bola po sa Air 21, Mike Cortez at the helm. Nakita si Danigan, na to KG. KG against Rob Dozier. 12 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. And si KG, ganda nung fake niya. Nakadampot man ng foul on Rob Dozier.
Malaking problema, if there's really no movement even from the weak side and they just wait for a spot-up shot, napakadali yung depensa at all. Because number one, you just, alam mo kung nasa nakatayo yung tao. Number two, walang kumakat sa loob, so there's no interior threat.
Alaska naman ang gusto nga makakuha ng mga basket dito kasi madali na silang natatahimik dito pagkat nagsimula po tayo 17 puntos yung kalamangan sa simulan ng second half. Ngayon ay 16 puntos na naman in that play. Kukuha naman ni Winnie Arboleda yung kanyang pangatlong personal foul. Mas mahigpit na kanyang ibinibigay na depensa ng JV Casio. Talaga naman po very effective na kanyang pag-point guard dito sa mga ng Alaska. Rob Dozier now. Sunny Thos, free once again. Malakas yung kanyang tira and the rebound goes to Mark Easy. Aatake ang Air 21. Mike Cortez ang nakakuha. Pag-ikot niya, nandun pa rin sa harap nito si JV Casio. At nahinto yung kanilang fast break attempt. Danigan, libre si KG for 3. Tabingin yung kanyang tira sa tapigan, makukuha naman ni Rob Dozier.
Malaking bagay talaga mag-connect si KG from the outside. At least it would spread the defense more.
Samantala si Calvin Abueva pinoposte ito si KG Canileta na wala tuloy yung takit ng si KG. But Alaska instead will go to their report. Dozier nahanap sa poste ito si Cyrus Baguio against Mike Cortez. Turn around for Cyrus Baguio. Kinapos and rebound goes to Air 21. Winnie Arboleda aatake sa loob. Babalik yung Mark Isip. Isang big. Handing it off. Danigan nakita sa ilalim luwag si Mark Isip. Kailangan pag lumayo. 5 kilometer run, 10 kilometer run at 15 kilometer run. Bukas na po yan ha. Araw ng linggo sa Frontera Verde dyan sa Tendisitas. Alas 4 pa lang. Pumunta na kayo. We'll start at around 5 o'clock. Samantala, ito si Calvin Abueva. Sabi naman niya sa atin kanina, dapat hindi sila maubusan ng energy at yun nga kanya ipinapakita rito pagpasok niya.
That's a nice pull-up job na ginawa doon ni Calvin Abueva. He's been working on that the whole time during the warm-ups early. Kaya naman nagbubunga ng magandang end for him.
Pagkatapos ng basket niya, balik naman siya sa depensa on KG Canileta. Forcing KG to make the fadeaway jumper na namintes at ang bola makukuha pa rin ng Alaska. Very patient itong kupunan ng Alaska sa pagpapaikot ng kanilang bola. But in that time, ito si Calvin Abueva. Yung ulit tira niya eh. Bola pa rin po ng Alaska. 14 seconds doon sa kanilang shot clock. Ngayon ay 8 puntos na 8 segundo na lang. RJ Azul, 3 seconds. He has to make the basket. Luckily for them, they were better. Nagngingiti naman sila. Part of the game. Magkababayan kasi itong dalawa na ito eh.
Pero may bulong eh. Bigan-bigan ito.
In Kapampangan ha. In Kapampangan. Samantala, pang-apat na puntos yun ni RJ Azul after making his second free throw. 5 minutes and 40 here in the third quarter. KG libre. Tres ang kanyang bibitaw. All net!
Matagal lang inaantay yun ni KG Canileta and even Abueva, signals to the bench at nanghihinayang nga siya na nakawala doon si KG.
This is what Michael Danigan is praying. Some help from the locals. At KG Canileta siya nagpo-provide po niyan. 14 points ang kanyang naitatala na dito. Rob Dozier na atake. Pasa kay Gabi Espinas. Minti siya na sa tapigan. Halos masira na ang uniforme nito si Gabi Espinas sa paghatak sa kanya ni Bitoy Amulon.
Having pulling and holding between the players trying to get hold of that basketball.
Kaya naman pala, naitulak na rin pala nitong si Gabi Espinas si Bitoy. Kaya bumawi na din si Bitoy Amulon. Bola po ng Air 21. Pero bago na. Ano ba yung mga bagay na pwede mas gawin pag tuyo kaligilid? Gusto mo mag-jump shot.
Pwede ka dumipensa, nakataas ang kamay, di ba?
With all confidence. Ginagamit siguro.
Person winning shots if he gets hot.
Well, luckily for Alaska, dalawa yung mintes ni KG, but nakuha pa ni Bitoy yung offensive rebound. Air 21, Alexis Bitoy Amulon sa kanyang tira. Ang ganda naman na goaltending violation sa Bicol against Rob Dozier.
It was excellent movement right there off the ball by Bitoy Amulon. Malaking bagay kasi you really have to move the defense. You need guys cutting to the basket instead of just settling for outside shots.
Kaya makikita din natin, ginalaw nitong si Rob Dozier. The ball still in the cylinder. So it will be counted for 2 at ang kalamangan 8 puntos na lamang, although Alaska still on top. RJ Azul kicking it out. Calvin for 3. Swak na swak.
Grabe si Calvin Abueva. Kung di mamaasahan from the inside, ngayon pumupukol pa rin from the outside.
Kaya maganda yung duelo nitong si KG at saka si Abueva, although it's Gabi Espinas na nakabantay na ngayon kay KG Canileta. Sila yung nagbabantayan, sila pa rin yung nagpapalitan ng score. Mike Cortez, siya naman ang titira. From 3-point line, kapos yung tira. Pero babalik sa kanyang long rebound. On the attack is Mike Cortez. Pumasok yung kanyang tira. And the foul on Calvin Abueva. And for Abueva, that would be his 4th personal foul. He's down to 9 points. Possibly 8. Ayun na nga ang nakompleto. At ang ating kasama, Sel Guevara, nakinig na naman doon sa timeout ng kupunan ng Alaska. At ito ang kanya napakinggan.
That's right, Rado. Sabi nga ni Coach Luigi Trillo sa kanyang mga players, be sharp on defense. That's the exact same thing na sinabi niya nung first meeting nila. At ang sabi pa niya, Air 21 is already making a fool out of them. Balik sa inyo.
Oo, especially the third quarter. Ito, inching closer ang kupunan ng Air 21, especially with the turnover committed by Calvin Abueva.
Well, Air 21 always has that capability. They've done it so many times in the past. malaking bagay talaga, lalo na in this game where it's survival for them.
And Mark Isip going to work with that floater over Rob Dozier. At ang kalamangan, 6 na puntos na lamang. That was highest at 17. At eto na, yung pinakamalapit na nakuha ng mga bata ni Coach Fres Pumares. Rob Dozier looking for the point guard. Nakita itong si JV Casio. Cut ni Sanitos, libre. Yung looper niya, malakas. But there's a rebound play. May foul na itatawag on KG Canileta, pushing off Rob Dozier. O Mark Isip ang matatawagan doon. Tingnan muna natin itong napakagandang pass on Mark Isip. Talagang anticipating yung kamay ni Rob Dozier, kaya kailangan palubo yung kanyang tira.
Well, 2 beses niyang ginawa yun. Kita mo, nilalayo na talaga yung bola. They could bring the lead back up. But Air 21 is actually playing a lot better here in the third.
59-52. 7 points. Lamang pa rin po ang Alaska. But Air 21 has a golden opportunity here to inch in closer. Bitoy, nakakupkup sa gitna. Binigay na lang to Mark Isip. Handing it up to Canileta. Yung pasa niya na antala. May foul pa on Mark Isip after losing the leather. The 7th seed naman, ang Barangay Ginebra San Miguel. Dito sa ating laro, nako, ito ng free throws itong si RJ Azul. Isa lamang kanyang naipasok, but sapat na para ibalik ang kalamangan ng Alaska to 8-60-52. Momentum still with Air 21. Pero dito unti-unti na nakukuha ng Alaska ang kanilang bangis. Hacking out pass, petition 3 ito si RJ Azul. Michael Danigan nakuha yung rebound. Sila naman ang atake. Mark Isip, hinapas ng Dondon Hontiveros. The foul will be charged against Dondon. And another set of free throws. Hindi. Walang free throws na ibinigay. Tapik lang pala. Walang foul na ibinigay. So ang bola mapupunta dito sa kupunan ng Air 21 muli. Ito against RJ. He has the advantage and making use of it to the hill.
Si Bitoy Mulon, yung pagiging veterano niya, talagang ginagamit niya in a do-or-die situation for Air 21. Actually, Rado, both imports hindi pa pumupuntos in the third quarter of play. They're focusing more on rebounding and assisting.
And involving their local teammates. So yung handoff.
Habol ng Air 21. That's why he needed a guy like Abueva to provide again the energy for the Aces.
12 points para dito kay the time bomb, JV Casio. Sapat na para ibigay ang 8 puntos sa kalamangan muli sa kupunan ng Alaska Aces. Michael Danigan, matagal na hindi nakakatanggap ito. Finally this one against Rob Dozier na sumapal sa kanya. Makukuha ni Michael Danigan. 5 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. KG has to attack. Yun ang kanyang ginawa at naipasok yun.
Well, he did the right thing because he could have actually taken a shot hurriedly, pero maganda naman yung ginawa niya because he settled for a higher percentage shot.
Kumpiyansa yun. Kahit nauubos na yung shot clock, alam niya, sapat pa yung oras yun. Samantala, there was a foul. Unti-unti ring binabalik yung kalamangan itong mga Alaska sa pinakamalaki. Although namintis ni JB yung kanyang tira, it is back to 7. Bonbo na-atake against JB Casio. Hinanap si KG, nakita against Dondon Hontiveros. Triple defense sa kanya. Mapasa na lamang niya. Bonbon, 9 seconds sa shot clock. Pipihit, iikot, bomba, pasok yun.
Only Bonbon Custodio can really make tough shots like that. Ang hirap ng mga ginagawa niya even with the defense on him.
Napangiti yung mga coaching staff ng Alaska, dating taga-Alaska. Bonbon Custodio. Samantala, Rob Dozier, luwag doon! May sapal, pero nagawa pa rin ng paraan sa lakas nitong si Rob Dozier. They thought the shot was already blocked. Pero Rob Dozier, ito muna si Bonbon Custodio with his own version ng Sausaw Patis. Pero ito, all strength para dito kay Rob Dozier.
You know, when you take it strong to the basket, good things happen. And that's what happened for Rob Dozier. He wanted to dunk it. And the only way he can finish a shot like that is at least if you try to dunk it over Danigan, and he was still able to get it over him.
Ubus lakas naubus na nga namin yung kanyang bonus free throw. 65-58. Pito pa rin po ang kalamangan ng Alaska. But the leather is with Air 21. KG Canileta. Hinahanap ang kalang import. Balik kay KG. Tres ito! Mintis yung kanyang tira, makukuha ni JV Casio. Nagmamadali. 3-on-2 situation. Rob Dozier will slam it home.
Too easy. Naiwan si Dunnigan doon sa backcourt. And too easy for Rob Dozier to miss.
Balik sa Siam, ang lamang ng Alaska with only 11 seconds to go here in the third quarter. Lamang pa rin po ang kupunan ng Alaska, but a big move here in the third by Air 21. Samantala, yung floater, Bon Custodian, maklase talaga.
Well, these are the guys who Air 21 really needs to step up.